Ito yung parcel, oh. Pagkalaki-laki. Ano na naman ito, Risa? Mga damit-damit. Oh, wait lang. Parang bangs ba? Bangs. Talagay ko sa ano? Bangs ba? Bangs. Oh, look at it. Parang sari-sari pagkita. Halukaan. Ay, okay ah. Han, look.
Moon face. That's why you look like a moon face.
Oh, it's good. I wear this tomorrow. They said, you cut your hair is. Oh, much better. Oh, good. Good, good, good. I wear that tomorrow. It's so funny. Oh, what is this? Oh, you know what is this? This is the one who make your butt in. You know, the woman.
What do you want for drink, Han?
Coke nga, please.
Oh,
Yes, please. Oh, my braya, this is good. Maybe I wear this too. I need to wash first before the uniform because very soft. Look mo. Oh, very nice.
maybe it's not coming yet.
Very nice. Bra, guys, bra. Oh, comfortable. What is this? Hopefully. I know, this is the stick like this. So it's not gonna see your boobs. And then next, guys.
Maybe one here.
Oh, my shoes. Yes nga, please. Ay, no, coming pala there. Ooh, ay, shit. Ay, shit. Look at guys. It's a sun. Ay, parang laki. Try natin, guys. Try natin. Oh, nice. Oh, ang ganda. I love it a lot. Ay, shit. Parang liit niya. Ay, ito lang. Look at guys. Oh, diba? May nakasaks pa ako. Okay siya. Size, this is size 4. Size 4. Size 4 guys. So, I like it. It's good. Perfect. Yan, pero meron tayong health ba? May health na tayo. And another parcel. So good. Yan, siyempre, yan na natin to. Mag-headband tayo. Yan. The shoes is good. Perfect. What is this? Oh, ito natin light. Light outside. Oh yeah, this is the light. I put there in the front. The solar light. This is the bright. Yeah, the one like this into the... into the... So light guys, solar light I put in our backyard. 2. And now it's going brighter and brighter. This one. And then another guys, oh shorts. This is shorts. Short. Oh my goodness. It look like very big. I know it's good. Yeah, perfect. Look at my bangs. So funny. Funny my bangs guys. Ang ganda in fairness. I like it. Yan, design yan ng aking hair. Kaya nga susundot yung mata ko. And this is the shorts. Ang ganda kasi ano lang siya. So may ano tayong shorts. And this is the sandals kasi gusto ko Diba pagka yung transparent yung ano, diba? Ah, kung ano pinagbibili ko. But anyway, okay. We can using it. We put it back. Lalaba ko pa itong mga ito bago susuotin ng ganyan pa doon. Lalagahan. And it is the what is this? Kung ano ito? Kalimutan ko. Yung terno. This is size 4. Oh, it's okay. Oh my God. And the pants is, oh my goodness, mahaba na naman. Tingnan nyo. Kaya ayaw ko ng mga pants. This is size 4. Pwede ng putulan. Kasi terno ito guys. So, kaya natin putulan yan. Ayun. That's all guys. So, thank you for watching. Moon face daw ako, sabi ni Raf. Hindi naman, uy. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.